Imagine a world where 99.9% of allergens vanish with the flick of a switch. That's the power of UVC technology, working tirelessly to eliminate mites, pet hair, and particle from your home. Harnessing the synergy of 253.7 nanometers UVC light and ultrasonic waves, this technology ensures a cleaner, healthier environment. Dive into the science behind its effectiveness in sterilizing surfaces, making your home a safe haven. Meet the 450W motor and 16 kilopascal suction power, your allies in deep cleaning. With a 6-stage filtration system, including a HEPA filter, even the smallest particles don't stand a chance. Safety meets convenience with the automatic UVC light shutoff feature. Its ergonomic design ensures effortless cleaning, while additional HEPA filters promise long-term use and easy maintenance. Embrace a cleaner, safer home today.